wanted to talk about something that really only car enthusiasts can appreciate, and that is the cold start. For those that aren't car enthusiasts or appreciate the cold start, really what that is the first time you start a car after it's been sitting for a while. And if you drive a car that is more high performance or something that you really just put a lot of thought and time into as a car enthusiast, it probably sounds pretty good when you start it up for the first time. And the cold start to a car enthusiast is more than just a cold start, at least for me. It means the car's been sitting for a while, so usually like either overnight or it's been sitting for a while because I went on a trip and it's the first time I get to drive the car after a while. But it's something special because the car sounds really good when you start it. It's usually super loud, louder than it is usually when you start it, and it's really the starting point of something enjoyable. And for me, I really love driving, and I love driving fun cars. So it's really an introduction to something that I enjoy that I haven't gotten to do for a little while. A couple months ago, a good friend of mine, Trey, and I went out and made a very short film. It's only 30 seconds, but it's about the idea of the cold start. I'm going to link this video somewhere around here for you guys to watch on Trey's channel. I highly encourage you to check it out. It's a great production, and I think we are really proud of it and you'll enjoy it, so check it out. I am currently leaving Honda of Stevens Creek. At least you had to bring your car in to get some things fixed. But I had some time to pop in and look at the Type R. They had a Rally Red one, which I definitely want to take home with me. But they're still kind of being ridiculous at asking $7,500 markup. So I'm sure as hell not going to pay that.